Okay, I don't know how much more of this is going to get recorded. This might be the only thing. I might just show our before and after the truck and do a new walk around and how I like it when it's done, because I'm going to go on and say I underestimated this big time. By far, one of the hardest things I ever done, and we haven't even got to the hard part yet. That's the crazy part. We only got the front end taken apart, and I started on this about 11:30. I wanted this to be kind of like a how-to almost, and how to do everything. But right now, at the moment, we got the jacket back up, move these jack stands to a different spot. We got to make a cut, and then drop the differential and reinstall some stuff. And then after that, should be better. And then we get to the back. This is Sunday. I don't think we'll be done today at all, but hopefully something will give. But I'll keep y'all posted.
All right, back where we started this thing, and I think this is their 6th or 7th video. Want to start off by saying Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope everybody having a good holidays. It is Christmas Eve right now when I'm recording this. It's either gonna be posted tonight or on Christmas Day. But was debating if I was even gonna make a video, but the truck is lifted. Haven't really gave y'all any word up there because it isn't completely finished yet. I got more coming for it. Got to fit some things that broke during the process, but it is done, kinda. I'm gonna give y'all a review of that and what else I plan to do, but we are in the same spot where I started my first video. But yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all about that. I'm excited for it. I haven't really been able to drive it much, and I've been just going back and forth to work, and anybody who knows I don't live far from my job at all, so I haven't been worried about driving it. It needs an alignment bad. That's one thing you want to do, is get an alignment as soon as possible. And I am on new tires, which are only 33s, and I plan on going up to about 35s. Everybody want me to try 37s out, but I think I'm just do 35s. Might do some new rims too. It's hard because these rims are expensive nowadays, especially truck rims, and finding the ones that I like that's gonna look good with the truck and complement it. It's just gonna be, you know, I'm picky, and yeah, but now that I lifted the truck, I see there's more that I got to do than I anticipated, but that's all good. That's part of the plan. That's what we're here, is to grow this truck. Been looking at cars. I wanted a bike. Bike is gonna wait, but really gonna have to get a car soon, because this right here is gonna be an absolute gas guzzler. But enough of me talking, let's get into it. Right, for all of those of you who are new or returning, this is my 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500 four-wheel drive. A lot different from last time. It is lifted now. I got a 7.5-inch rough country lift on it. Show y'all that. I did take it to a guy I met on Facebook Marketplace. I tried him out. He didn't charge bad at all. He only charged me $100 to get the cross members painted purple and the spacers up front, and that was the best $100 I ever spent. And on camera might not do it justice, but the sun hitting it, it has a lot of flake in it, and it just look good. Since it is Christmas Eve, the truck got done I think last Wednesday. I took it to get an alignment Thursday. That didn't work out. I took it to LBJ. That's where I get all my work done at the dealership, but I took it there to get an alignment, and they weren't able to do it because the guy who helped me put them on, you have to cut your tie rod ends when lifting your truck over 5 inches, 5, 6, and 7 inches. You have to cut them. I told him they had to be cut 3/8 of an inch. He accidentally cut 1 inch and 3/8. Was I angry? Kinda, but you can't help it when you got help, but it is what it is. I got new ones at the house right now, but I couldn't get it aligned Friday. They was booked up. Everybody who can do a lifted truck was booked up until after Christmas, so that's gonna have to wait. That's why I was debating, was I ever gonna put this video out on Christmas Eve. I did not want to drive this truck. I'm not driving it as much. All I do is drive to the house and to work. That's it. Other than that, I haven't been nowhere on it. This is the first time I'm bringing it out. But yeah, driving without alignment will wear your tires out. Even though I am upgrading them soon, I still plan on reselling these used. They got tremendous tread on it. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you want to put out a video. So here I am. Upper control arms are going to get painted purple. These are the old ones because I am going to order the rough country ones that I already forged off of their website and get them painted purple too. Only reason I'm reusing these because you're going to run through ball joints like crazy on these lifted trucks if you're using the stock ones, so that's why I'm going to upgrade them soon. I got to put the fender liners back in. That'll be happening soon. I got rot lights that we're going to be putting in, one in each corner of the wheel wells. So that's why I haven't been in a rush to get them put on, and I'm getting an alignment too, so I didn't want to throw them up there and then they ended up getting dirty or messing something up when doing it, so I just left them off. Need to get that dent fixed soon. Still not worried about it. Tailgate, when we was in that last video, I think it was the last video when I was helping my friend move. Yeah, I'm tired of looking at that. And it's even more noticeable now that the truck is lifted. My cover on top cracked. I was tired of looking at it like that, so I went ahead and took it off. Then that just looked tacky, so I just took the whole tailgate off till I get a new cover. That should be coming sometime after Christmas because, like I said, everything want to happen right before Christmas, so it's harder to get stuff right now. The same guy who painted my lift kit for me is going to be color matching this bumper. Do the covers right here, silver as the truck, leave the middle black, and then the bottom piece right here is probably gonna be silver too with the inside black. Still haven't made my mind up if I want tow mirrors or not. I've been contemplating it. Well, just have to wait and see. And this rear bumper was gonna get painted color match too, but I'm still undecided on that because I'm always standing on it. I'm always jumping on it. If anything, I'm gonna leave the step up part black and then just paint these covers right there on each side color match, and I think that'll look really good. But she is lifted now. Nothing's changed on the inside. That's always gonna pretty much be the same, unless I get floor mats, something which I really not worried about right now. But that's the lifted truck. Next video, I'm either gonna have me and my friend Randy. He got a 7.5-inch lifted Tahoe. We'll probably review that. And probably do 5 reasons why to lift your truck and 5 reasons why not. This was a short video. There wasn't much to it. I did want to show y'all because I've been getting a lot of people ready to see it or have seen it and wasn't sure if it was me or not because I haven't been posting it like that. Oh yeah, another thing, now that I've lifted the truck, when I had it on the 2-inch level, my exhaust pipes, that's the size I wanted. I think it looked great with it. Some people ask why didn't I go bigger. but they will be getting changed out. I think I'm gonna 6 or 7 inch tip and just have it dump, make it a little bit louder. But yeah, that's one thing I forgot to mention. Yeah, it was on the shorter side though, like I said. We're gonna go ahead and get back to the house. Wrap this video up. Hope everybody having a good holiday. Merry Christmas everyone too, if I haven't said it already. That is the truck, it is lifted at the house we're gonna be wrapping this video up at. Remember, if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. Got more to come to the truck. It's not in its final form yet, but remember, anything you do in this life got to have knowledge.